Let us discuss question number 2 from exercise number 2.2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Here, swimming pool is in the shape of rectangle and its perimeter is given as 154 meter. Length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. There is no length is given as well as breadth is given, that only they are asking us to find out. But the relationship between length and breadth are given. Length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. Now here two quantities we have to find out. As per our chapter, one quantity we can take it as x, but one doubt is there, which one is to be taken as x. For that purpose, one small hint let me give you. They are asking us to find out length as well as breadth. In this question, is there any point which is telling about length as well as breadth? So this is a point. In this condition, we are having the relationship between length and breadth. Length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. This means length is, if you wanted to know length, 2 meter more than what? Twice of its breadth. So length is depending upon breadth. So length is depending upon breadth means first of all we have to know breadth, and by doing this operation twice its breadth and more than 2 will give length. So this is one way we can understand. Another way, one more technique, than after what is there, breadth is there. So than after what is there, that one you can take it as x. Now, so as per these two hints we can take that let the breadth of the rectangular swimming pool be, so b for breadth is equal to x meter. Now from this line, length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth, that is given. Length is equal to 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. So length is represented by small l. Now coming to just from, we will come from back to front. Its breadth is represented by x. Twice means 2 times of x. 2 into x. Twice means 2 times. 2 times of breadth means 2x. Then 2 more. How much more? 2 more. More means plus. Less means minus. More means plus. How much more? 2 meter more. So 2x plus 2 we can write as length. Now we have utilized this condition. Now one more condition is given as perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Also given that perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is equal to 154 meter. Here swimming pool is in the shape of rectangle. So indirectly we can apply here a perimeter of the rectangle formula. 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. Here L for length and B for breadth. From these lines, length is 2x plus 2, breadth is x. That only we will substitute. 2 will be 2 only, bracket. L for length. Length is 2x plus 2. So length place you can write it as 2x plus 2. For this plus you can write plus breadth. B for breadth. Breadth is represented by x. We have taken, that is x only, equal to 154. Now next step, 2 will be 2 only. 2x plus 1x. 2x plus x. 2x plus 1x is 3x, and extra this plus 2 is plus 2 only, equal to 154. Now you got this our exercise number 2.1 question only. Here we need to find out x value. For this purpose we are applying transposing method. So 3x, if you wanted to know x, this 3 is to be avoided, 2 is to be avoided, this 2 is to also be avoided. First of all, you can transpose this 2 to right hand side. 2 is multiplying, it will comes to this side, it will divide this 154. So transposing 2 to right hand side, 3x plus 2 as usual is equal to 154. This 2 is multiplying, it will comes to this side, it will divide 154. So 154 by 2, 2 1 time, 2 7 times 14 and 1, this 14 means 2 7 times. 77 by 1 is nothing but 77 only. We got it as 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now you need to transpose 3 as well as 2. Which one is to be transposed first? Plus 2. After that only 3. Transposing 2 to right hand side, it will become as 77 minus 2, and what is left here? 3x only. 77 minus 2 is 75. 3x can be written as 3 into x actually. 3x is nothing but 3 into x. Now this 3 also transpose it to right hand side. 3 is multiplying, it will comes to the side, it will divides that 75. So x is equal to 75 divided by 3. 3 one time, 3, 25 times is 75. 25 by 1 is nothing but 25 only. So x equal to 25. We assumed x. What is x? We assumed x is nothing but breadth only. So breadth of the rectangular swimming pool, you got it as x means 25 meter. So from this you can write breadth of the swimming pool is equal to x equals to 25 meter. In question they are asking us to find out length as well as breadth. You got breadth. Now from this line, length is 2x plus 2. Length is 2x plus 2. That only we are considering. Length of swimming pool is equal to 2x plus 2. X value we will substitute here. 2x means 2 into x. So x value 25. 2 into 25 plus 2. 2x plus 2 means 2 into 25 plus 2. Why we have taken this? Here length is expressed in terms of x, that is 2x plus 2. In this only we are substituting x value, that is 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 is nothing but 52 meter. So length is 52 meter, breadth is 25 meter. Whether your answer is correct or not, checking process. From this we can do. See here, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. 2 times of breadth. Breadth 2 times and extra 2 meter will give us length. Breadth is 25. Twice of breadth means 25 into 2, that is 50. More 2. So 50 plus 2, 52 only, that is length. So our problem is solved.